So good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. In the last class, what we have learned? Can you please tell me what we have learned in the last class?
This keyword, ma'am.
This is a combination of two. Only ABC, right? Guys, we have learned. I think we have learned till constructors. Yes or no?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, up to constructors overloading, ma'am, we discussed.
Sorry.
Up to constructors overloading, ma'am.
Like constructing overloading, we have done, right? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So this class is only for A, B, and C, right? Yes or no, guys? Yes. Okay. So this class will see the methods. Okay. So we'll see what is the difference between constructors and methods. Clear? Guys, tell me. Can anyone tell me what is mean by method? Nana? Everyone చెప్తారా method అంటే ఏంటి? I told you in the
Hello.
last class what is mean by method.
Excuse me, madam.
Yeah,
Hello.
sir.
Yeah. From this day onwards, for this week, and that total 6 sessions will attend for class, madam.
Ma'am, sir, I can't get you, sir. Can you repeat it again?
For this week, entire 6 sessions will join, madam.
For this entire week, entire 6 sections will join.
Yes, madam.
Okay, sir. From today onwards, sir.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Sir, but the classes are different, sir. For D and F, I'm bit ahead of that, but ABC, I didn't complete some of the topics.
Yeah. Can you make it quick, madam? The remaining who are the forward, they will wait, madam. So from
Okay.
next class onwards, you can go in.
Okay, sir. So from tomorrow, we'll tell the class for entire candidates, sir.
Yes, madam.
Yeah, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, madam. Thank you.
Yeah, sir. Guys, those are A, B, and C. Please listen. Those are from D, E, and F. Guys, you have completed what is the difference between constructors and methods, and you also done how we have seen how many methods we have. Okay, so we have seen how many methods we have, and also we have seen how many methods we have, and also we have seen the static block, static about the static keyword and the disk keyword. Yes or no? Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
So, guys, DF students, I am telling the students from A, B, and C, those are done. I am telling about methods and different types of methods. And if time permits, we'll also say the static and I will complete the disk keyword. Okay. So, DF guys, if you are interested, please stay and listen the class. Okay. So, it will be a revision for you. Clear, guys? Because from tomorrow, we'll start from everything. Like, we'll start, that's why I'm asking you to get revised. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
One second, guys. Guys, can everyone see the screen? Yes. I think
Yeah, ma'am.
see the screen.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. So guys, now we'll see. Guys, please tell me what is mean by constructed. DF students, please don't answer this because you know about this. I'm asking for ABC students because they didn't complete this topic. Okay. So DF students, please don't answer this. If I ask any questions, please listen without answering anything. Okay. So ABC students, please tell me what is what is mean by method. Cheppanana, what is meant by method actually? Tell me guys, what is meant by method? I told what is meant by method. Guys, please tell me guys, what is meant by method?
Group of statements work together to perform operation.
Okay, very good. The group of statements that perform together to make some operations. So, for example, in C, what we'll have, guys? In C, we have functions. So same functions names, but in Java, we'll call it as methods. Okay, the same meaning, the same, everything is same, but only the name is different. In C, it is known as functions. When it comes to Java, it is known as. Tell me, in Java, it is known as methods. Understood, guys, everyone? Yes. Now let us see what are the difference between. Okay. So now it is very important to know what is the difference between method and the constructor. Okay. So please, guys, I will tell you what is meant by method and constructor. Okay. Constructor and method. Okay. Now let us see what is the difference between constructor and method. Okay, so what is the first difference, Nana? Everyone Cheppan, what is the first difference between method and constructor? What is meant by constructor always? Tell me. Why constructors are used? Why constructors are used? Obviously, constructors are used to initialize the instance variables. Yes or no? So same thing. First point. Please write it down, guys. Okay. The constructor is used to initialize the instance variables. Okay, initialize the instance variables. Clear, guys? Then tell me what is meant by method. Guys, tell me why methods are used, Nana. So methods are nothing but functions. Why functions are used? It is used to perform some task. Yes or no? The same thing. Methods are used to perform several tasks, or it process, okay, or it processes one second. Perform several tasks is enough. Okay, guys. So what is meant by constructor? Constructor is nothing but it is used to initialize the instance variables. When comes to method is nothing but it is used to perform several tasks. Clear, guys, everyone? Aaron, first point is clear. Please respond to me. Yes. Yes,
ma'am.
now tell me how we are representing with constructor. What is I have said two properties of a constructor. What is meant by that, Nana? A constructor name should always be. Tell me.
Class name.
Very good. The constructor name will always be the class name. Okay. So whereas method, so is it necessary to keep the method name is same as a class name?
No, ma'am.
Very good. So that means a method's name can be different from the class name. Clear, guys? So the next point is a constructor name should always be the class name. Second point, next point of method is a method name should always can be different from the class name. So it is not mandatory for the method, Nana. Okay, now. So next, tell me what is the third? Can anyone guess what is the third one?
And with brackets.
Yeah, with brackets. Constructor will be end with brackets. Even method will be also end with brackets. Kada, so that is not that much difference. Okay. Manam ikkada em rastundi, the difference between rastunnam kabatti constructor brackets tone end avutundi, method kuda brackets tone end avutundi kabatti we are not writing that point. Okay. Okay. So next point is a constructor can be called. Okay. Please write it down. A constructor is called at a time of creating the object. Okay. Constructor is called at a time of, I will explain you what is the meaning for this. Okay. The constructor is called at a time of creating an object. The method is called after creating the object. So method is called So please see here what is the difference of this. So guys, we have seen in the last program, okay? So we have seen in the last program what we have seen, guys. So my name is Samu. So I have created the person. Raj is equal to new person, okay? So new person I have created. So now tell me what is this new person? What is this person, Nana? Person is nothing but the constructor where we are calling when we are creating an object. So no, but when comes to method, the method is called after creating the object. That means so manam next call చేసేటప్పుడు ఎలా కాల్ చేస్తాము మనం just Raju అనే reference variable object name తీసుకొని just we have called talk. So no, so that means the constructor. So constructor is called at a time of creating the object, whereas the method is called after creation of an object. Understood, guys? Everyone? Guys, understood everyone? Guys, please tell me understood everyone.
Yeah, ma'am.
So next point is the constructor is called only once per object. Okay, the constructor is called only once per object. Okay, the constructor is called only once per object, whereas in method, a method can be called several times on the same object. Okay, method can be called from the same object. So what is meant by this, guys? Please tell me what is meant by this. So see here, guys, a method is constructor is called only once per object. For example, manam constructors discuss చేసినప్పుడు we have the default constructor and parameters constructor. What we have done now, we have for default constructor, I have created one object called Ravi is equals to new person and Rasenu. And for parameters constructor also I have created another method. So no, person Sita is equals to new person. Yes or no, guys? So for in order to create the two constructors, you need to create the constructor is called only once per object. Okay, this for Ravi it is called only once, and if you want to call another constructor, so for you need to create another object. Okay, the constructor is called only once per object, whereas for method, see guys, so for example I have only one method, right? So here I have only one method, that is talk. Okay, so what we are doing, guys, here we are calling the same method twice. So we have called Ravi dot, we have called the same method called talk, and we have also called, okay, so we have also called the same method with the Sita dot talk. So no, guys, in the last program, everyone remembered last program, everyone wrote the last program, guys, please respond to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so remember this one, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, so understood the fourth program, Nana. The constructor is called only once per object, whereas method can be called several times from the same object. Okay, so next, so we have done with the four points. Okay, the next point is the constructor is called and executed automatically. Okay, please write it down simultaneously. The constructor is called and executed automatically. Tell me what is method then? It is completely opposite. Tell me, the method is executed only once when we call it. Okay, the method is executed. The method is executed only when we call it. Okay. So we have 5 types, Nana. First one is the constructor is used to initialize. Please write it down, guys. Please write it down. Very important difference between constructor and methods. Guys, నేను చెప్పిన నోట్స్ రాసుకుంటే no need of using your all in ones యూజ్ చేయడం కానీ ఏం అవసరం లేదు. This is enough. Please write it down. Okay? Write in notes రాసుకోండి. It will be enough for you. What is the difference between constructors and methods, Nana? Constructor is nothing but a constructor is used to initialize the instance variables. When it comes to methods, methods are used to perform several tasks. Next one, a constructor name should always be the class name, and methods name can be different from the class name. Okay. Different from the class name. A constructor called at the time of creating the object, whereas the method is called after creating the object. Next one, the constructor is called only once per object. A method can be called several times from the same object. Next one, a constructor is called and executed automatically, whereas the method is executed only when we call it. Guys, done? Everyone understood what is meant by constructors and methods? Everyone understood, guys?
Ma'am, method can be written type.
Excuse me, Chapande, I didn't get you.
Method can be written type, ma'am.
Yeah. Definitely. For method, you will have the return type, whereas constructor, you don't have any return types. So that point also, you very good. That point also, you can write it. So constructors don't have return type, whereas methods may have return type. Very good, Nana. May have return type. Okay. So understood, guys, everyone? Guys, అర్థమైంది అందరికి? Guys, please tell me. Understood, everyone? Yes. So understood what is meant by constructor and methods? Yes. So guys, in the last in the C language, we have seen 4 types of methods. Yes or no? We have seen 4 types of methods in the last class. Tell me, guys, what are the 4 types of methods? That means what are the 4 types of functions we have seen in the last class? Please tell me. Guys, tell me. With the parameters, yes or no? You have seen this? Yes. So with the parameters and with the return
Without
type.
return.
With return type.
And without with the parameters and
Without return type.
very good, without return type. Yes. And with the
Without
parameters
parameters with return type.
and with the return type. And next one is without.
Without parameters and without return type.
Very good. Without parameters and without return type. Okay, so we have 4 types of methods, guys. So first one is with the parameters with the return type, with the parameters and without return type, without parameters and with the return type, and without parameters and without return type. Okay, we have 4 types of methods. Okay, so we have 4 types of methods. So we'll see one by one. We'll execute the program so that you will understand it very well. Okay, so we have 4 types of methods. Okay, so first one we'll see about how we are going to access. First we'll see without return parameters and without return type. Okay, without parameters and without return type. Okay, so first ఇది చూద్దామా కింద చూద్దామా చెప్పండి మీరే. So what we'll see first? You only tell me. Guys, please tell me what we'll see in the first.
First one చెప్పండి మ్యామ్.
Okay, so we'll see with the parameters and with the return type. Okay. Once again, I'll share the screen. Yeah. Yes, can everyone see the screen, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now we'll see with the parameters and with the return type. Okay, that is nothing but program of program of addition of two numbers. We'll see now. Okay, program of addition of two numbers. Program of addition of two numbers we'll see with the parameters and with the return type. We know when it is C, but we know with Java. We don't know with Java, so we'll see about this program. Okay, so first one. So first one I want to write. Okay, first one I want to write class sample. So sample program I want to write class sample. Okay, so next. So next what we need to do, Nana? Next we need to calculate the addition of two numbers. Means definitely we need to declare two numbers. Yes or no? So you need to declare two numbers. Okay, so you need to declare two numbers. So here I'm taking double now. Okay, na? So I'm taking double. So num1 I'm taking num1 and also I'm taking num2. I'm taking num1 and num2. So here I have declared two numbers, that is nothing but num1 and num2. Okay, so this is nothing but method to now I am declaring a method. So how will declare the method, Nana? Tell me the method. So let's call the method name is. Okay, so let's call the method name is sum. Now return type నాకు ఏముంటది చెప్పండి. Is there will be any void? నాకు void ఉంటుందా double ఉంటుందా return type అనేది? Guys tell me.
Double, ma'am.
What will be my return type?
Double.
Very good. So your return type will be double. Okay, so we are writing here. We are writing here double sum of here the parameters. That means it is with the return type parameters. But here you are passing the parameters. Okay, so what parameters you are going to pass? Tell me what parameters you are going to pass, Nana. You are going to pass two parameters, that is nothing but num1 and num2. So double num1, you have passed two parameters, and double num. Okay, you have passed two parameters. This is nothing but the method which is used to pass the parameters. Clear? So now what you need to do, Nana? So in this you need to add the two numbers. So how you will add the two numbers? Tell me how you will add the two numbers. Directly I am taking another variable. Okay, directly I am taking another variable called double. Okay, so double res is equals to num1 plus num2. So by this I have added two numbers. So what is the program? The program is nothing but with the return type. So నాకు ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం రిటర్న్ చేయాలి చెప్పండి. Guys, please tell me what I need to return now. Guys, so return ante ఏంటన్నా, return is nothing but if your value should store. Okay, so your value should store the answer, so that answer you need to return. Okay, so now where I am storing the value? Tell me where I am storing the value. I am storing it in res. Now what I need to return, guys? Tell me everyone what I need to return. I need to return. Tell me what I need to return. What variable I need to return? num1 or num2 or res?
Res, ma'am.
Right. Yes, ma'am. So you need to return res because your answer is stored in the res. So ఇప్పుడు ఏమైపోతుంది? So res అనేది value store అవుతుంది. That will go into sum and you need to print the sum. Understood everyone? So this is nothing but with the parameters and with the return type. So what we need to do, Nana? These are nothing but instance variables. So we need to call this method. Yes, and we need to print the res. Yes or no? So if you want to print the return is, definitely I need to create one main method. I don't have any main method, so definitely you need to create one main method. Okay, main method I am taking method 1. Okay, I'm keeping main method 1. So here I'm writing public static void main string args. Here what we need to do, Nana? Here you need to create method. Yes or no? So what method you need to create? I need to create my value. My method is entirely here. That's why this I need to create the sample method. Okay. So sample s is equals to new sample. So now I have successfully created my object. So see here guys, see always remember now నేను ఇక్కడ మెథడ్ లో పాస్ చేశాను కానీ పారామీటర్స్ I didn't pass through constructors. Okay, so if you are passing through constructors, then you have every right to write the program here, to write the parameters here. But where I am passing, guys, I am passing here in method. So that's why you need to pass the numbers in the method only. Understood, guys? So now you need to pass the numbers in the methods. Okay, so ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేశానంటే, so here what is my class now? Okay, where I am storing. Okay, now see here very carefully. ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఏం స్టోర్ అవుతుందనా? సో ఐ నీడ్ టు స్టోర్ ఇన్ ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? సో ఆబ్జెక్ట్ పేరేంటి? దిస్ ఈస్ మై ఆబ్జెక్ట్ నేమ్. సో దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఎస్. సో ఐ కీపింగ్ హియర్ ఎస్. నౌ వేర్ మై number, where my answer is getting stored, Nana? Double res is equal to num1 and num2, and I am storing it in res. So res ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది? Now res will come and call to sum. Now sum లో నాకు ఇప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ స్టోర్ అయిందా? Yes or no? Guys, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now you need to write here sum. Okay, now you have every right to pass the values because sum gabatti you are calling the method gabatti. So here you need to pass num1 and num2. Okay, so num1 and num2, what values you can pass, Nana? Suppose it is double float gabatti, so I am keeping here 10 comma 12.5. Okay, so I am keeping here 10 comma 12.5. Now you need to print the value. Yes or no? So in order to print the value, how will you print the value? To direct the sum print cheyagaltava? You cannot print because the sum is nothing but your method name. You cannot print. So that's why this you need to store in another variable. Okay, so this you need to store in another variable that is nothing but s. Okay, x. So let's call the variable called s. So ఇది అన్ని డబుల్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి obviously in order to store, definitely it should be x, and you are going to print the value as x. Println of, one second, x. Okay, understood, guys? Everyone? Anyone any doubts? So let's see the answer. Now let me save. Let's just stop Java programs. Methods1.java. Have successfully saved. Now let's see the answer for this one. Okay. One second, guys. Sample. Yes. Yes. Double cross. Class should be small letter. Yes. One second, guys. I will share. Guys, can everyone see the command prompt? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, guys, see here Java C. Okay. Methods one dot Java. Yes, it is successfully compiled. Now Java space methods one. Okay. So answer is 22.5. Okay. So what we have given, Anna, what we have given in the question? Tell me what we have given in the question. We have given
10 plus 20.
12.5. We have given 10 plus 12.5. So that's the answer is 22.5. So understood everyone, with the return type, everyone understood, guys? Yes or no? So please write it down, please. Everyone. So now we'll see with the parameters and without return type. Okay. So everyone, please write it down, guys. So after writing, after completion, please tell me. We'll go into with the parameters and without return type. Guys, done? So please write the answer also. The x is 22.5. Guys, done or not?
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so now we'll see without parameters and with the return type. Okay, so please see here, guys. I will modify in this program only so that you will understand it very well. Okay, so the program for the method without parameters and with the return type. Clear? Everyone, please keep the heading as without parameters and with return type. Now, what we need to do, guys, definitely we need to create two variables. Yes. So, because we don't have any parameters, so now we need to create two variables. Okay. So, how you will create two variables, Nana? So, let's take the two variables called double private double num1 comma num2. Okay, num1 comma num2. Okay, so see here, guys, see here very carefully. If you don't have eligibility to pass the parameters in methods, ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏం చేయొచ్చు, we have another possibility, that is nothing but how to initialize the instance variables. Please tell me how to initialize the instance variables. Guys, please tell me how to initialize the instance variables. మనం ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ చదువుకున్నాం కదా. By using constructors, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
రే చెప్పడానికి ఏమైందిరా బాబు మీకు?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So we don't have right to pass the parameters because it is without parameters in the method, but we can pass the parameters into constructor. Yes. So now let us see how the constructor should be. The constructor should be same as the class name. Okay. Yes or no? The constructor should be same as the class name kabatti. So here I am writing one constructor. So here I am writing the constructor. Your constructor is nothing but sample. So I will write here quotes parameterized constructor. Okay, parameterized constructor. So here I am writing same as the class name, that is nothing but sample. Okay, sample. Now you are going to pass two values. Okay, so two values, no same values pass cheyacha ledu. You cannot pass the two values because it is parameterized constructor kabatti I am passing double x comma double y. Okay, so let's take double x comma double y ante. Now let's pass num1 value to x and num1 to value to y. Okay, so etla pass chestunna cheppandi. num1 is equal to x. Okay, and num2 is equals to y. So that means, so ikkada double 1 double 2 double x double y తీసుకున్నారు కాబట్టి the numbers you will store it in x y. So అవి దేంట్లోకి వెళ్తున్నా నాన్న? So that you are storing, the value of x in num1 and you are storing value of y in num2. Okay, so understood, guys, everyone? So always ma'am మీరు డైరెక్ట్ గా ఇక్కడ num1 num2 పెట్టుకోవచ్చు కదా అంటే you should never keep when comes to parameters constructor నాన్న. సో మనం లాస్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో కూడా మనం ఏం చేసాము, ఇక స్ట్రింగ్ s స్ట్రింగ్ int i then పెట్టి దీంట్లో we have stored the values. Yes or no? So parameters constructor cannot initialize directly. Clear everyone? Does everyone clear? I think so. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So number 1 and 2. So ఇప్పుడు ఏంటి? So this is my method. So method definitely you don't have any parameters here. Okay, so you don't have any parameters, so I didn't keep any parameters. So ఇక్కడ ఏం రాస్తున్నానన్నా, ఇక్కడ with return type కాబట్టి సేమ్ డబుల్ res is equal to num1 and num2 రాసి ఇక్కడ return res అని రాస్తున్నాం. Now when comes to methods, okay, so now when comes to methods, see here very carefully. So నేను ఇక్కడ దేంట్లో పాస్ చేశాను, కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ లో పాస్ చేశానా, పారామీటర్స్ మెథడ్ లో పాస్ చేశానా చెప్పండి అందరూ. Do I pass it in constructors or methods?
Method, ma'am.
Hey, వాల్యూస్ మీరు దేంట్లో పాస్ చేశారు, పారామీటర్స్ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ లో ఇచ్చారు కదా. సో దట్ మీన్స్ సో ఇక్కడ మెథడ్ లో యూ షుడ్ నాట్ కీప్ ఎనీథింగ్, యూ షుడ్ నాట్ పాస్ ఎనీథింగ్, బట్ ఇన్ ద కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ యూ షుడ్ కీప్. ఓకే, 10 సేమ్ మనం అదే ఇద్దామా, లేకపోతే 5.5 10.5 ఇద్దాం. Okay, so now ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేశాను నాన్న, హియర్ ఐ డింట్ పాస్ ఎనీ ఎనీ పారామీటర్స్ ఇన్ మెథడ్. సో నేను దీంట్లో మెథడ్ లో నేను ఏం పారామీటర్స్ పాస్ చేయట్లేదు, కానీ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ లో పారామీటర్స్ పాస్ చేశాను కాబట్టి హియర్ ఐఎమ్ పాసింగ్ ఇన్ టు కన్స్ట్రక్టర్స్. అండర్స్టూడ్ ఎవ్రీవన్?
Yes, ma'am.
So now we'll see the output. Wait guys, I will share the screen. Yes, I think everyone can see this. So JavaC method1.java, it is successfully compiled. Now I'm going to run the program. So answer is 16.0. So 16.0 నాకు ఏమేం వాల్యూస్ ఇచ్చాను రా ఇక్కడ చెప్పండి. So I have given 5.5 plus 10.5 is nothing but 16.0. Understood everyone how to pass without parameters and with the return type? Understood everyone? Yes?
Yeah, ma'am.
So నేను ఇంకో లాస్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ I will show without parameters, without return type, and you need to do without parameters and with the return type. Understood? See, wait, I will show you. So guys, understood this program? The program is about without parameters and with the return type. Now the last program I will show you without parameters and without return type. Okay Nana, I will show you without parameters and without return type. But మీరేం చేయాలి, you need to do it tomorrow with the parameters and without return type. Understood everyone? Okay now. Guys, am I clear?
Yeah, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So did you copy this program? Everyone? Guys, did you copy this program? Yes or no? Please answer me.
Yeah.
Everyone, yes, sir? Huh? Okay. So,
ma'am.
yeah. So now we'll see without parameters and without return type. Okay. So till now we have seen without parameters and with return type చూసాం కాబట్టి మనం ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి, without parameters and without return type చేయాలి. This is very simple guys. See here, without return type అంటే ఏంటి, here we don't have any return type. Yes, the same in two values declare chesa, so I am taking the same constructor. So narvata without parameters I didn't give any parameters inside the method, and నేను ఇక్కడ calculate చేశాను. So చేసినాక what you need to do nana చెప్పండి. So you don't have any return type కాబట్టి obviously it is going to take here void. అంతే కదా, రిటర్న్ టైప్ ఏం లేకపోతే ఏం చేయాలన్నా చెప్పండి. ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ రిటర్న్ టైప్, డెఫినెట్లీ యూ నీడ్ టు టేక్ హియర్ void. Yes or no? So here you don't have any return type కాబట్టి directly you are going to keep here system dot out of println here itself. Okay. Directly system dot out dot println of the sum is. Okay. The sum is దేనిలో స్టోర్ అయిందన్న చెప్పండి. It is stored in res. Yes or no? So I am keeping here res. Clear? So నాకు ఇక్కడ నేను values pass చేయలే. We don't have any parameters and we also don't have any return type. Okay. So same thing నేను ఇక్కడ ఉంది కాబట్టి సో నేను ఇక్కడ ప్రింట్ చేసా. So is it necessary to do it here? No, it is not necessary. So మీరు ఏం చేయాలంటే so directly you need to remove this one. So I have called s dot sum. Okay, understood guys, everyone? So now let's see what will be the answer. See here. Yes, everyone can see the screen? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So see here, I have compiled the program. My program is successfully compiled. Now I have run the program. So the sum is 16.0. Understood guys? Same thing మనం ఏం చేసాం, రిటర్న్ లేకపోతే మనం సిస్టమ్ డాట్ అవుట్ ప్రింట్ నేను మెథడ్ లోనే పెట్టేశాను. Understood everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So please రాసుకున్నారా
Yes, ma'am.
everyone? Everyone wrote? Guys, please listen, very important. Definitely methods are the 4 types రాసి ఒక్కొక్క దానికి మీరు ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాస్తేనే మీకు మార్క్స్ పడతాయి. ఓకే, ఇంపార్టెంట్ 7 mark question. Has everyone done? Yes? Let's see here, everyone, what guys today. So now I have explained. So what I have explained, I have explained with the parameters and with the return type. Yes. And next what I have explained, చెప్పండి.
Constructor and
Without parameters and with return type.
Without.
Yes, with
Without parameters and without return type.
very good. Without parameters and
with return type.
without parameters and without return type I have explained. So now మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలన్నా చెప్పండి. Now what we need to do, you need to do, tell me what we need to do. You need to do without parameters and without no
With parameters and without return type.
yeah, with the parameters and without return type. So combination of the what nana, combination of this and the combination of this include your this program. Understood? Our program lo modify cheyandi, definitely you are going to get the answer. Understood? And the program రాసుకున్నారు కదా?
Yes, ma'am.
రాసుకున్నారా లేదా? Everyone wrote the program? Yes or no? Please respond to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So please write it down. So tomorrow
Yes, ma'am.
definitely I will see everyone's book. Okay. Adutha compulsory andar chudali. First 5 to 10 minutes will be that thing only. Clear everyone? Guys, today we have seen difference between constructor and methods, and we have seen the methods, and we have also seen that we have 4 types of methods, and we have seen every method with the respective program. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you guys. We'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am.